So today we are going to Mall of Oman. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to Mall of Oman, which is the biggest mall in Oman. And everybody in Muscat was waiting for the opening of this mall because this is the biggest mall and this has so many fun things to do. Like there's a snow place and there's a dinosaur show going on. There are so many brands, so many things, cinema, Carrefour and what not to see. So this is going to be a very interesting, really fun sort of a visit video. So if you like it, give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive my videos. So now as you can see, this is a really huge mall and a really huge car parking things going on. So we are going to enter the car park and I filmed this part especially to show you a really cool thing that is happening in the car park. So as you can see on top of the cars, like the shades that they have made are basically solar panels. Yes, solar panels. So what they are doing is they are converting the solar energy into electricity for the mall, which is a really good energy conservation step. So yes, they are doing that. I really appreciate the effort and I really appreciate what they have done over here. So it took us a little while to find car parking and now we are heading into the mall. And you can see this is one of the entrances of the mall. There are, I don't know, like a million different entrances to the mall. So we are entering from this one, the one that was closest to our car, and you will find one that will be closest to your car. Like I'm saying this, like I am sure on that sentence. So yeah, they were checking our vaccination certificates because it's really important to get vaccinated for your safety, for others' safety. And as you can see, there are many shops that are not open. This is because this was the soft opening, which means there are so many things to come in future, not yet open, but there are so many things that are opened into the mall that I'm going to take you guys through and I'm going to show you so many fun things over here. So right now you can see the architecture. This looks like dinosaurs or fish scales or alligator or crocodile skin, I don't know what, but it's sort of like an abstract contemporary architecture style. I don't know, I'm not the expert, but I am just guessing it, which looks pretty different from their traditional Omani architecture, like you know, the traditional Omani shapes and arches and stuff, which is cool. Like change is good at times. And you can see there were so many people. I do like to avoid people while I film because I do respect everybody's privacy. We went in on a Saturday morning assuming that there will be less number of people, but I was wrong. And you can see there's a Salman store open. There's a Salman's home store and there were a bunch of different stores that were open and I'm going to take you guys into those stores also. So you can see there was this basement and then there was this ground floor, and again the architecture, like those drops, I don't know, those are raindrops or teardrops, whatever they are, they looks really cool suspended. And there was again, you know, basement, and I'm going to take you guys into the basement. I'm going to show you what's there. So yes, now we are going into the basement and you can see again so many people and a Carrefour. Yeah, there was a Carrefour, whatever you call it. You know, this is again a really big hypermarket and we were not allowed to film inside, so I did not. This is Max, one of my favorite stores. If you're watching my visit videos, vlog videos, you must know this already. Okay, I really like Max. And now I am taking you guys into a really big, really cool store. So this is Baby Shop Splash, all in one sort of a shop, and I'm going to again, you know, take you guys through, especially for all the ladies who always say, okay, I don't show you guys the prices and things and the shoes and the bags, because Arab countries are really well known for their shoes and bags. So now you can see the shoes and the bags, and I'm going to take you guys through the fancy ones. Yes, you can see, you know, the stilettos and heels and I don't know what not, and the bags and the matching stuff and fancy stuff. 14.9 for these heels. You can just convert them, whatever the conversion rate is. 12.9 for these ones, and again, you know, the bags and clutches and whatnot. And now we are heading on to the different part of the mall. It's a really big mall, like Tim Hortons is opening up. There's an R&B. There's again, you know, really cool architecture and so many escalators, so many lifts and whatnot. Again, safety first, hygiene first, sensor based sanitizers and stuff. And now we are heading towards the dinosaur show, I believe. Yes, I am, because you know, I want to show you everything. So this is the recycling bins that they have placed, and Charles and Keith and Aldo and stuff. And here we are, like, you know, a dinosaur world, Jurassic World. I don't know, like Jurassic World, should I say that? I don't know. But there are so many dinosaurs that they have placed on display, and they also run a sound show. And here comes the T-Rex, Tyrannosaurus Rex, the worst of all the dinosaurs, the most brutal one. And all the dinosaurs were there, you know, people were taking pictures with them, they were making videos, and so many things. Like, kids were having a really good time, and also the parents were having a really good time. So yeah, so this one is the Dilophosaurus, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that it's called something like that, because this has like a fan sort of on his head. It looks like a T-Rex, Tyrannosaurus Rex, which is at the back side over there. Like you can see that that's a T-Rex, the most horrible of all. And this is, I think, a Triceptor or something, because it has 3 horns and stuff. This is not a Stegosaurus, but I always call it a Stegosaurus. That's a different dinosaur. And yes, there were so many dinosaurs and so many really cool things to see. The Snow World is about to be opened, which will actually have real penguins in them. You know, that's really cool thing. And also the exit, again, there are so many different exits in this mall and so many different places to see. And this is again the parking, and you can see at night how it looks really cool actually. The architecture, the entrances, the pavements, the parkings, and everything is marked, everything is labeled, which is really cool. And you can see how long it is. Like you can see this parking for the electric cars and stuff. So basically Mall of Oman has so many different things to do and so many different things to visit, and you can basically find everything in this mall. You can see, you can find Carrefour, you can find different brands, shop, cool things to do, fun activities to do. So the location of this mall is really simple. It is located in Bushehr and is right on to the Muscat Expressway. And yes, you can see the Walk Cinema is opening up, which is a really cool thing. It's a really big cinema chain over here in Arab countries. So yeah, there's a cinema also. You know, what else you want? So I think that's all for today. That's all for this video. If you want to see more of videos, there are going to be a bunch of videos on your screen that you can watch after you watch this video. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And now, take care. Bye bye.